Okay, today we'll do the how to make a PDF file using the tool LaTeX. Okay, so I am using the software Make LaTeX. You can download it from the Google. It is easily available. It is you can download freely. It is available for Windows 7, Apple products, and everything for Windows 10 also. So you can download it. It's free. Now, how to use it? So this is the this is the simplest format you can have. This is a basic format. First you will add the document class article, and then you will start with begin document and end with end document. In between that you can write whatever you want, like it will display on the screen, like hi and hi, what are you doing, like that of question. If you click here, then you will get the output in the PDF file, like how what you are doing, hi, what you are doing. Now if you want this what you are doing in the next line, then you have to add two backlashes. Okay, this thing. Now if you add this, then what will you get? You will get hi in the one line, and in the next line you will get what are you doing. Now see, if you want to add like new sections in your article, in your document, then you will add section, and you can name anything like introduction, section with introduction. So if you and enter, then you will get your section first, that is introduction. Okay, and in the section you can write whatever you want to write, like introduction is using the LaTeX. Okay, now if you enter it, then you will get the using the LaTeX in the first section. Now if you want more sections, then what you gonna do, you just add subsection. Not if you want more section, then you have to use the section. Next thing, next topic of your chapter, next topic of your section, right? And write about that topic, so then you will get this in your this here, that first section is introduction and second one is next topic. Okay, now if you need subsection in your section, in your required section you need subsections. So what you gonna do, you just add subsection, like intro 1, like you have many subsections in one thing, and again subsection intro 2. Okay, and if you click here you will get, okay, this is subsection. You have to spell it correctly, otherwise it will not display. So then you will see here, first is our introduction, then subsection of introduction is 1.1, intro 2, intro 1 and intro 2. Like if you want subsection of that section also, then you can add subsection intro 1.1, right? Then you will get this. Now this is the subsection of the introduction, and this subsection is the subsection of this subsection intro 1. So this whole class will look like this in the PDF. Hi, what are you doing, introduction, then using the LaTeX and subsections. So this is for today's class, like how you gonna make the basic writing in the using the LaTeX. Okay, so Thank you very much.